polling officers, they're stationed at the booths as the preparations are underway. In a short while from now, we're looking at the voting procedure that will begin. But we also talk about, when we talk of the key fights in this phase of the elections. Of course, when we speak of these big seats, let's first begin from the seat of Raghopur itself. This is going to be a big fight. The chief ministerial aspirant, which is Tejasvi Yadav from the RJD. And in the meantime, as we speak of the other seats as well, let's talk about Alinagar. We are looking at, when it comes to a celebrity entrant, which is Maithili Thakur from the BJP versus Vinod Mishra of the RJD and Biplab Chaudhary from the JSP. So we are looking at JSP, another new entrant as far as when it comes to the smaller coalition parties are also concerned. They seem to be also playing a crucial role in both of the alliances. Let's now talk of Ara there. Sanjay Singh Tiger from the BJP versus Kwamadin Ansari from the CPI MLL and Vijay Kumar Gupta from the JSP. We are also looking at this closely fought contest that is now from the other seats as well. This is from Ara. Let's take a look at the other seat when we speak of Bahadurpur. That is also one of the key constituencies that we are looking at, where the first phase of elections that would be taking place. Bhola Yadav of the RJD versus Madan Sahani of the JDU and Mohammad Amir Haider of the JSP. So big parties there, small parties as far as when it comes to the new entrant of Jan Suraj is also going to be playing a major role as far as the first phase of elections is concerned. As the quick glance that we are getting exactly when it comes to what's at stake for the big players, especially when it comes to multiple seats of Bihar in the first phase of elections that we're looking at, that will be setting the phase for the second phase of elections that happens on the 11th of November. Now, as far as when it comes to what is at stake in Bihar, especially when it comes to Sushashan Babu, which is Nitish Kumar. If he wins, will he emerge as the tallest leader in Bihar politics by bucking all of the trends? Or if he loses, will he now be blamed for anti-incumbency and dragging down the alliance in the poll battle? Because this time we are looking at takkar ka mukabla, not just within as far as against the Mahagathbandhan, but the BJP and the JDU also playing on the same lines, on the same page. That is exactly when we speak of the Mahagathbandhan this time. Let's also talk about what really happens and what is at stake for the opposition here as well, because this is going to be the Congress and also the RJD also trying to be on the same footing as far as when it comes to the biggest opposition party is now concerned in the opposition. Let's talk about what is at stake for Tejasvi Yadav, the CM aspirant of the opposition Mahagathbandhan. If he wins, will he cement place as a true successor of Lalu Yadav's legacy? Because there has been a lot of skeptical as far as when it comes to the family struggle and family power within his party is also concerned. But if he loses, will he shoulder the blame as the sole face of the campaign? Because he is seemingly now projecting himself as far as the opposition now face of the CM aspirant is now concerned in the Mahagathbandhan. So this is there when we talk of Nitish Kumar and Tejasvi Yadav, the tallest leaders that are now coming in, both from the ruling and from the opposition Mahagathbandhan. But what is at stake for the BJP this time now? When they look at as the party's winning chances, will the scope now broaden from one of the biggest political parties in the country, especially when it comes to their space in Bihar? Will it now take over the JDU independently or not? That remains to be seen as the figures are concerned. But if the BJP loses this time, could it force a rejig and a need to go back to the drawing board? Will there be introspection within the BJP? That remains to be seen, because voting will begin very shortly and we'll be getting you the ground coverage only on Times Now.